What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy iamonio, man. I'm back with another video. Hey man, check this out, boy. I got some customized Air Force One, man. I want to share with y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Leave your boy a thumbs up so his videos get recommended, man. And watch the ads, man, so your boy can get this revenue, man. So all white forces, phone forces at that I customize, man. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think, man. But today, this video, I'll be restoring these 2012 Cool Grays. Look at them. Now, they have been worn. They old. You see what I'm saying? But, let me see. See if y'all can see how dirty they are. There we go. Did y'all see that? Alright, so they mine, they belong to me. I ain't doing it for nobody else. This is what it is. I'm restoring these. Y'all see the shoestring? Dirty. They dirty. Dirty. So, we're gonna get to those forces though. I'm gonna show you those forces. But, I bought this out of Tupelo today. At the mall, called MGK. The real MVP. Shoe care kit, you know what I'm saying? Support black businesses, man. That's what your boy did, man. Today, bought this. He wanted $118, but I had already been through there. He had already told me $65. You see what I'm saying? See, they try to get you. You gotta be smart, man. You gotta be smart out here. You gotta use your head. You gotta be able to memorize. He told me $65. When I went through that, I told him I go come back and I go fuck with him. I'm a man of my word, man. Hey, so I went back through there. He trying to sell me 2 of these for $118, which I was only there to support, you know what I'm saying? Because I already got my own shoe repair stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this right here. That's what I'm going to clean the 12s with, and I'm going to see how it's going to turn out. 2012 Cool Gray 12s, man. Will be restored today. Hey, but yeah, hey, check this out. Check this force out, man. One of a kind, man. One of a kind. Hey, one of ones. You feel what I'm saying? Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but one of ones. I did customize me a shirt to go with them, and I customized a hat to go with them. So. One of ones, man. Hey, look at this one now. Look at it. Look at this one. Make sure y'all get a good look at it now. Yeah. One of ones. And here go the other one. The next pair I customize, man, I will customize on the channel, man. I think I will show y'all the process of me customizing the next pair, man. And I think the color scheme gonna be fresh. What y'all think about the color scheme, man? Do the colors complement each other? That's what I wanna know. Do the colors complement each other? They not no everyday shoes, man. I use hand paint and dye. So I soak the shoes in blue dye. So this the color dye I soak the shoes in. That's why this came out. I didn't leave them in there alone. So I did get a baby blue, fresh. So I did me a pair of socks to go with them too, y'all. I might post a picture on Facebook whenever I put them on, whenever I feel like putting on the outfit to go with them. But yo, customized Air Force Ones by your boy iamonio, man. By your boy iamonio, man. Custom Air Force Ones, man. Mismatch. That probably be my theme I'm gonna go with, man. When I'm customizing these shoes. Matching the colors on the same shoe. You know what I'm saying? You know shoes come like that nowadays, but this the hat. So it is a 47 hat, New Era. It's called Bull Tiffany Blue Cleanup. That's what the name of the hat is. So If you want to go look at the hat, how it was before this, I might post a picture. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'm gonna post a picture, man. This is the after. Y'all see the bull. Then I put iamonio on the side, man. So people who don't know who I am will know who I am. But yeah, dope. Doing it for me, man. I ain't doing it for nobody else. Hey, but check out the bull sign. See how it changed colors? It go exactly with the shoes, man. I ain't gonna cap, look. I got the hat to play off the bottom. And this. You know what I'm saying? So, look at the ball on the hat. I got it baby blue pearl to go with the shoe. Man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Drop down in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think on the forces that I customize, man. You know what I'm saying? The hat that I customize, you know. We is gonna get to this. And go on here. I'm gonna go on here and process this, man. Listen, if you got Jay, man, I'm finna show you what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Finna show you what you need to do to go and get these things back right. They dusty. They been wore to barbecues and stuff out here in the country, you feel what I'm saying? So, they are dirty. You already know, man. We gotta get these laces out. So I got the shoestrings out. Shoestring. Hey, so what I'm gonna do with the shoestring, man, I make my own little shoestring potion, man. Y'all might use it. Some of y'all out there might use it, man, but hey, so what I do is, I get me a cup, pour me a little bleach in here, bleach, water, dishwasher liquid. I'm gonna submerge the shoestrings in here. I use the bottom of my toothbrush to push them down, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let these soak. We're gonna let them soak. Make sure I ain't got no bleach on my hand, man. But I'm finna put these gloves on, man. You gotta protect your fingers at all costs. I need another cup. So, I got a cup of water. That's the kit I showed y'all. So you got a conditioner and a cleaner in one. Got the white touch-up for the threads and stuff on the white. And then you got the water repellent and stain repellent for after. I got a brush too, so it did come with a brush. So, what we finna do is, man, we finna get to it. That bleach a little loud, so I'm gonna move, make sure it's out the way. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm gonna wet my brush. Wet my brush, y'all. Boom. See that? Boom. Boom. Shake it off. Then I'm gonna take my cleaning conditioner. So, a couple drops. Let's get to work, man. Let's get to work. So, didn't come clean, but I got something for that. So, these shoes is old. They 10 years old. I'm gonna let them dry. Go get me another towel. I think I gotta rub them just too hard. Spade coming on. So we're gonna let them dry. Alright. They dry. They dry. Tape. Tape them all. Tape them all. I don't need these for that though. Just taping the shoe all around the sole. Put a little piece of tape right there. Hey, I'm taping it off because this 50 cream will bleach some stuff. Got peroxide in it, man. So you want to be careful when you're using it. Your tape ain't got to be perfect. You putting it on there got to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? So, got my brush. Yeah. Finna paint this stuff on, man. Finna paint this stuff on. So, about to put this in here, just so I won't have to keep on squeezing at the top. See what tape stick the better, stick the best, man. think I'm gonna go with the blue. It's sticking better. So I think it's taped good enough. So I do have them locked in the lab. Let me show you. So I got a hole right here. They in the lab. They in the lab and they cooking up. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so let this sit for a couple hours, come back, check them. And then I'll show y'all the results on the next video when I get ready to do some more. So what I need y'all to do is drop down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all leave a thumbs up on this video. It's the process, man. And this your boy iamonio, man. And I'm checking out. Stay tuned for the results of the Retro 12s Cool Grays that came out in 2000.